Allegiant Stadium, a one-of-a-kind architectural and technical feat, with a design that was inspired by the smooth lines of a high-end automobile from the future. The Las Vegas Dome Theater uses a cable net suspension system for the roof, which is a novel architectural element. In 2018, this partnership to build a sports facility in Las Vegas was one of the city's most talked-about endeavors in the building industry. The complicated Allegiant Stadium architecture had to be translated from paper to brick, mortar, concrete, and glass, and only McCarthy had the means, skills, and capabilities to do so. The 1.8 million square foot world-class Allegiant Stadium is currently the symbol of the marvels of technology and future vision. You're watching YouTube channel Let's Get Techie. In today's video, we're going to take you inside one of the most luxurious stadiums ever built, the Allegiant Stadium, which is one of the costliest stadiums, having a heavy price tag of $1.8 billion. So as always, make sure to watch the video till the end, and if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Well, as far as the construction of Allegiant is concerned, the now deceased Al Davis, who was a longtime owner and managing partner of the Raiders organization, is credited with coming up with the idea for Allegiant Stadium. It is immediately obvious that he had a hand in this design of the facility the moment you lay eyes on the gleaming black and silver exterior of the superstructure, also known as the Death Star. Everything within the stadium, including the restrooms, is painted in either white, black, or silver, depending on which color was chosen. The Allegiant is a domed stadium that features 10 different levels. Its silver and black appearance, accented with white ribbons of light, give it a remarkable similarity to the Empire Space Station from the Star Wars saga, which, oddly enough, is where it received its title from. However, the Star Wars property has provided the stadium with more than just its name and its one-of-a-kind appearance. As a result, it likewise possesses properties that are comparable. The moment you step foot inside the stadium, you are greeted by a stunning view of the stadium's one-of-a-kind roofing system. The stadium is topped by a 7-acre ETFET cable net ceiling system that is hung by 100 stainless steel cables. The construction of the historic complex necessitated the removal of 895,000 cubic yards of soil, the installation of 12 miles of concrete drilling shafts, and the installation of miles of pipe and utility systems. During the entirety of the construction project, there were a total of 19 construction cranes utilized in order to install a total of 482,000 structural bolts, 105,000 cubic yards of concrete, and 28,000 tons of structural steel. All of the structural concrete work, including the foundations, walls, columns, and cores, as well as the slab-on-metal deck and slab-on-grade, was carried out by the joint venture between Mortenson and McCarthy. The designers wanted the stadium to seem like a futuristic luxury car, so they gave it a roof design that resembles the roof of a futuristic luxury automobile. According to the chief designer of the stadium, the idea for the stadium came from a sports automobile that was similar in appearance to a Tesla. Additionally, much like a Tesla, the roof of the stadium may be opened or closed at the user's discretion. The area on the northern side of the building is equipped with sliding doors, which make it possible to open up the stadium and let in some sunshine and fresh air. Even while the roofing system in and of itself is cutting-edge technology, there are many other components of this $1.8 billion stadium that are considerably more astounding. One thing that was added to the stadium following the death of Senior Davis was a memorial torch that is 92 feet tall and sits on top of the northernmost end of the stadium. The torch was constructed using 3D technology, and it is now the biggest thing in the world that has been produced using 3D technology. The new $1.8 billion stadium has, without a doubt, all the bells and whistles that one would anticipate seeing in a huge structure now under construction in Las Vegas. The stadium has a total capacity of 65,000 spectators and has 127 luxury suites, in addition to 8,000 club seats throughout its 10 levels of seating. A translucent ETFE roof is one of its most core features, since it enables spectators to escape the stifling heat that may be experienced in Las Vegas throughout the year. This also makes it possible for the playing surface of the stadium to be a natural grass, which was another element that Davis felt should be included in the design. The 19 million pound retractable natural turf surface at Allegiant Stadium is moved into the stadium via a tray-like structure that can move the grass inside for events and outside to receive adequate sun and water when the stadium is not in use. The system is similar to the one used at the State Farm Stadium in Phoenix, which is where the Arizona Cardinals play their home games. And if we talk about the food, then it's heaven for foodie spectators too. The variety of food and drink options available at the concession stands at Allegiant Field is among the league's best. Burger and hot dog fans have a variety of options to pick from, including Neon Dogs, the Holstein's Shakes and Buns, Gold Stand Burgers, Nom Nom Burgers with cheddar cheese and Thousand Island sauce, Veggie Burgers, and Fuku Burgers. Pizza is also served at Pizza Rock, Evil Pie, and Pizza Squared. Viva Las Noches, BBQ Mexicana, avocado chicken burritos, smoked brisket burritos, and a BLTA wrap for $15 each. Barbecue pork skins or chips and salsa for $8, and Mexican specialties are some of the Mexican dishes that are available. Other booths include Rollin' Smoke BBQ, which sells pulled pork, chopped brisket, or smoked chicken for $15, and Kickin' BBQ beans for $3. Graphico Bao Chinese is another vendor. The Taste of the Nation's Tailgate Favorites stalls offer the standard fare that one would expect to find at the stadium restaurant. At Allegiant Stadium, some of the local casinos have acquired suites or memberships in the several premium clubs so that they may host many of their most important customers. In the private parts of the stadium, you can find a virtual art gallery with Raiders-themed art that has a Las Vegas feel. In addition, the stadium pays tribute to the accomplishments of the Raiders franchise by displaying enormous tickets from all three of the team's trips to the Super Bowl, as well as a highly stunning Hall of Fame for the Raiders franchise. All of these components are brought together by the black, silver, and white color scheme that is used throughout the whole Allegiant Stadium complex. The Las Vegas Bowl, the Pac-12 championship game, and the University of Nevada, Las Vegas football all play their home games at Allegiant Stadium. During the off-season, the stadium intends to host large concerts at the facility. The authorities in charge of the stadium also want to put it in bids for important events such as the Super Bowl, the Final Four, and significant conferences. They also want to lobby for the establishment of a Major League Soccer franchise in Las Vegas. The retractable curtain-like windows at the top of the northern end of the stadium, which faces out towards the Las Vegas Strip, are another of the stadium's distinctive features. These windows provide breathtaking views of the Strip at night when it's illuminated. When it comes to NFL stadiums, the sports betting lounge at Allegiant Stadium is the first of its kind. The Allegiant Stadium also has a top-of-the-line technological package, which is something that should be expected in a city that is known for its lavish illumination. The large video boards can be seen at both the north and south ends of the stadium, and ribbon boards can be found all the way around the seating sections. That's all for today's video, guys. How many of you have gotten the chance to visit and see the Allegiant Stadium? Tell us about your experience in the comments section below. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. See you in the next video. Until then, cheers.